Hey, this is Dan with the Conscious Builder. We're going to show you a quick tour of this Ottawa South reno. Let's go check it out. So the scope of the job is to take all the lath and plaster off, and we're going to get the spray foam guys to come in, spray foam it, and then we're going to re-drywall it. New windows to make it energy efficient, and then we're going to do the trim and everything afterwards. So in this exterior wall that you're looking at now, when we took the lath and plaster down, there was no insulation in it, so it's just a perfect way to show that the cold air was getting right through and probably increasing their energy bills. This wall back here with the fireplace on it, we're not going to take apart all that custom cabinets there, so we're going to just drill some holes in the top of the wall and halfway down, and then we're going to get the guy to come in with the blow-in insulation machine and just pump the walls full of insulation to make sure that wall's all good. Then up here is the same thing. We had to take all the lath and plaster off, barn board, going to get them to come in, spray foam everything. Same thing all up here. And then these two bedrooms out the front of the house. We're going to take the barn board off, spray foam, and then windows in each of the bedrooms.